Hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, I'm fine, Sritama. And you? Hope you all are fine. So, how was your day yesterday? How was you celebrate your this kite festival? Yes, very good. Very good. Okay. Okay. So, welcome to your class 1 EVS class. Today, we will start your exercise part of your chapter World of Plants, and we completed the text part of this chapter. So, have you any problem from the text part of this chapter? Hope you all read this lesson of this text part. And have you any kind of problem? You can ask me now. So you all understand it, right? Okay. Shovik, have you any problem to understand the chapter? You can ask me now. Okay. I'm fine, Shubhecha. Hope you all are fine. So in your PT2 exam, I will tell you that your My Neighborhood and the Let's Celebrate, those two chapters will be held on your PT2 exam, and in your home you have to read those two chapters very attentively, because Let's Celebrate this chapter are very much important. Those dates and those reason to celebrate, and the My Neighborhood, that's too easy, but where the name of those places also important. So those two chapters, My Neighborhood and Let's Celebrate, those two chapters you have to read very attentively. Oh, very good, Shaptorshi. Then enjoy. Sredatri, you can fly the kite. Very good. I can't. Okay, so start this question time. Take your copy book with you, because you have to now write it. Okay, after the read those, after attend those class, then you can fly kite again. But you have to write those answer, and you have to answer me those questions of these questions. Okay. So everyone, please open the page number 70. Page number 70. Question A. And here the tick the correct word. Oh, Subhecha, you are now traveling. Okay everyone, now let's start this exercise part of question 1. Which of these is a tree? Here 3 questions with 3 options, and you have to choose the correct one, and you have to tick the answer. So you have to, you have to write it in your copy book, not in book. I repeat it again every day, but you didn't listen to me. Write it in your copy book. So which of these is a tree? Is it watermelon? Is it hibiscus? Or is it coconut? So you all answer me, that's coconut. Yes. Which of these is a tree? Which of these is a tree? Is it option A, option B, option C? You all gave me the answer of option C. That's coconut. That's coconut. Very good. Coconut. Now go to the question 2. Yes, this coconut is a tree. Very good. Now go to the question 2. Which of these is not a shrub? Which of these is not a shrub? Is it mint? Is it henna or is it hibiscus? Yes, Shobik, hibiscus is a herb, but you have to answer me that which not is a shrub. Sorry, hibiscus is not herb. That's for the who answered it? Shovik. That's for Shovik. Hibiscus is not herb. You all answered here that mint. Mint is not a shrub. Then which type is it? Which type of this mint? Can anyone tell me? Yes, Ritam, it's mint. But which type is it? Mint is not shrub. You choose here, mint is not shrub. Then how is it? Which type it is? Very good, Parvez, Priyankshi, Sharanya. Then mint is a herb. Very good, very good. Mint is the correct answer. Mint is not shrub, but mint is a herb. Now go to the question number 3. Very good, everyone. Question 3. Which one is a climber? I am writing here the question for you. Then you have to write it in full sentence, right? Which one is a climber? Is it option A, watermelon? Is it pea plant or is it pumpkin? Rishi write here that it's pumpkin. And Shubhecha also write here that's pumpkin. But Parvez, Sharanya, Riyad, Priyankshi said that's pea plant. Shaptarshi said also this is pumpkin. So here which one is a climber? Sritama, Shaptarshi, Suzana, Shredatri and Shubhecha, Rishi. Didn't you read the book? That's many times I told it that pumpkin is an example of creepers. Previous day that very much time I told it, right? That pumpkin is the example of the creeper. And watermelon also the example of creeper. I gave 3 examples in the creeper, right? I can remember. Didn't you copy these things at your copybook? Then open the copybook and you can see there that pumpkin, watermelon and battleground, those 3 are example of creepers. Here question is, which one is a climber? Which one is a climber? And I think that will be pea plant. And who gave me the answer? That's pea plant. They are very good. They gave me the correct answer. They are very good. Pea plant is the correct answer. Many of you didn't read the book attentively. I read this chapter, I taught this chapter so much time in offline, online, but till now you didn't read your lesson. So here we completed the question A. So question 1, which of this is a tree? You can copy the answer at your copy book. Which of this is a tree? That's correct answer is coconut. Which of this is not a shrub? Correct is mint. Which one is a climber? The correct answer is pea plant. Okay, now go to the question number B. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Hope you all copied it because I have to erase it now. Shibanita, you can write in your copy book and write it fast because I have to erase it now. And go for the question B. So first question is the question B. What are trees? So there are some questions, you have to give me the correct answer. What are trees? Give me answer that what are trees? Yes, Parvez, Priyankshi, Sharanya gave me the answer. So I am writing here the answer. You can copy it. Copy those answer also. What are trees? Very big plants. Very big plants have which have hard and woody stem. Those are called trees. Those are called trees. Here is your answer. Very big plants which have hard and woody stem. These are called trees. So you can see the board, right? Very big plants which have hard and woody stem, they are called trees. They are called trees. Okay, hope you all copy the answer at your copy book. Now go to the question number 2. Question number 2. Distinguish between shrubs and herbs. That means you have to differentiate between shrubs and herbs. Okay, because they are both the small plants, but they have the some different things between them, right? So you have to write, you have to tell me those different things. I am now erasing this answer of question 2, B1. Now go tell me the differentiate between shrubs and herbs. Very good, Priyankshi. Okay, Parvez, Sredati Shaptorshi gave the answer. So I am now writing here the answer. Okay, you can copy this. Shrubs are smaller than trees and they have woody stem. Shrubs are smaller than trees and they have woody stem. But as this is the differentiate, so I have to use the but, this conjunction. Herbs are smaller than shrubs and they have soft stem. They have soft stem. Okay. So here is your answer of question 2, the distance quiz between shrubs and herbs. You can copy the answer at your copy book first. So shrubs are smaller than trees and they have woody stem, but herbs are smaller than shrubs and they have soft stem. Okay. Now go to the question number 3, that is the differentiate between creepers and climbers. Yes, very good, Riyad, Sharanya. You can copy the answer from the copy book. Hope you all see the board. Now go to the question number 3. I am now erasing it, okay? Now erasing it. Now the differentiate between climbers and creepers. Creepers and climbers. So tell me, that's also too easy. Those two have the very weak stem, but one can grow along the ground and one needs support to climb up. So who can grow along the ground and who needs support to climb up? You have to write it here. Very good, Parvez. And others, give me answer first. I am waiting. Creepers can grow along the ground, but climbers need support to climb up. So here is your answer of question 3. Yes, very good, Sharanya, Priyankshi, Riyad. So creepers can grow along the ground, but climbers need support to climb up. That's the differentiate between creepers and climbers. Hope you all copy these things. So today we discussed on question A and question B. So question A, take the correct word which we already discussed. That's which of these is a tree? That's coconut. Which of these is not shrub? That mint. And which one is a climber? That's pea plant. We got the answer. And in the question B also, what are trees? Those very big plants who have hard and woody stem, those are called trees. And the examples you know, banyan, mango, neem, coconut, etc. And the distance is between shrub and herbs, that's also you copied right from the board, that shrubs are smaller than trees and they have woody stem, but herbs are smaller than shrubs and they have soft green stem. right? And here the question number 3, which is already in the board, that's differentiate between creepers and climbers, that creepers can grow along the ground but climbers need support to climb up. So we completed those two things, and rest of the part of this exercise we will discuss on your next class. So your time is also over. That's all for today. And who are present in the class, please write here P, because I have to take your attendance. And one thing that you know that you have to write this chapter very attentively, and if you face any kind of problem which you can't understand, you can ask me on e-portal and our next online class also. Okay everyone, so have a nice day.